So after I did my analysis on Solana, telling people where they could possibly buy Solana, I mean the price where Solana will fall down to before they buy, someone also dropped a comment in that particular video asking me what about Ton. So that means I should look into Ton and also analyze Ton. So when I saw the question, I decided to look into Ton to see what Ton was doing. Anyway, if you want to watch the video on Solana, just go to my TikTok channel or my YouTube and you're going to see that video and you can watch it to see where Solana is possibly going to come to. And also, if you want to also know where Bitcoin will definitely fall to or possibly come to before it finally starts to move significantly up, you can also see the analysis I dropped in my TikTok channel or my YouTube. If possibly, just go to my YouTube to watch all the videos in my YouTube handle. Now, for this particular one, I want to be looking at Ton because someone asked the question about Ton, and that is why I am going to look into Ton. So I decided to look into Ton. If you see, this is Ton here. Ton is sitting at number 19 on CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to open it up to look at it. And by the way, if this is your first time of joining my channel, please, you can kindly subscribe to this channel, give a like to this video if you love this kind of content, and also if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I will do well to answer all of your questions for you. And then you can also share this video with your friends, your family members, all those people whom you think they are into crypto and you would like them to see this kind of content. And if you want to join my trading community or my academy where I teach people how to trade and become successful and also share signals of good gem coins that they can buy for good profit in the near future, then you can join my Blockchainplus Academy where I do all of the teaching, all of the mentorship and all of the guide to you. In that community, we do a whole lot and people are really benefiting and profiting from the kind of trades I drop in that place. So you can just join the academy and it's not really expensive. With just 30,000 naira for 1 full year access, you are able to join the academy. All right, with that said, let me just continue with this video. So I looked into Ton, like I said, and I saw that from my own view here, I see that Ton has really dropped to a significant level. And if I am buying this project in sport, when I mean sport, I am buying to hold, not trading it in futures, because there are several ways to make money in crypto. You can make money trading it, buying and holding, that's investing in crypto, which is buying and holding in spot. You can make money trading it as a future. You can make money staking it. You can make money loaning it. You can make money from different ways in crypto. And all these ways you make money from crypto, I teach it in the Blockchainplus Academy. So if one is not suitable for you, you can use the other one to make money. Even airdrops, I also teach about airdrop and the kind of airdrop that you can do to actually make money. So if you're buying this thing as sport, this level that we are in right now is a significant level that I myself can go into. Now, I'm not advising you to go into it because whatever I do here is not a financial advice. You can go ahead and do your own research before buying into this kind of project. But for me, I know that this is a long-term investment for me and I'm seeing it at $3. I can go into here because if you look at Ton, we have hit $8 before, and from $8 it has come down to $3, which means it has lost $5, which means it has lost more than half of its value, you get, and it is closer to this low here. So we are going to go to TradingView so that I'll use TradingView to do more analysis for you on Ton. So let's go to TradingView right now. So yeah, on TradingView, this is the demand level I actually drew for Ton, and if you look at it, it is gradually coming to that demand level where I will now go in heavily. But for the sake of we don't know the future, it may just turn from there. I can go in light here. Just buying some bags. Let's say, for instance, if I want to invest $1,000 into Ton, I can just go in with $300 here or $400. You get, so leaving $600 on the table in case it comes into this zone where I am looking at for. So why do I know, or why do I feel that it may come into this zone? Because if you look at that zone, that is where we have more of the demand. You get, that's where we have more demand, because you can see there are multiple events that actually took place in that place. Now, if you look at this region, you can see all of these events here that took place without actually giving us significant move up or down. Now, if you also go forward and look at this region, you can also see all of these events that happened here without a significant move. Now, after this event, there was a breakout, there was a retest, and then there is this move up. So that is a major place you can see that the price can come down to before the strong move up. Now, with that said, if you also draw your fib level, so I'm going to use my Fibonacci. Let me just use my Fibonacci to come down like this. Okay, so this is the high. Great. So that is the high, that is the level. Now, this is the low. So this is the level, right? So now, if you look at it, this level is always known as the golden level, which is 618. This is actually mid-range. Now, I don't really concentrate on the mid-range because anything can happen there. Where I concentrate more on is the golden level and the deep retracement, which is here. 786 is the deep retracement, which is closer to 100%, right? So it's just 23% away from 100% retracement, which you can actually go in knowing that if it goes back to 100%, all your loss will just be 23%, right? So if you look at this market right now, you will notice that we have passed the 618, we have passed the 786, which is why I said I can go in light, because I know that 786 is a deep retracement. So it has passed 786, and there is one other retracement that is known as 88. I think it's 886 or 888. That retracement is sometimes not actually me. I don't use that retracement that much, but that is where, if you look at this market right now, that is where we are. I don't really use 886 that much, but I make use of 786 so much because I love the deep retracement that it gives. But look at it. This is where we are right now. We are around 886, and after 886 we have what? 100% retracement. So the 100% retracement is 50-50. It may come into there, it may decide to move back from 786. Now, the only reason why this may come into the 100% retracement is because Bitcoin is actually still coming down. And if Bitcoin continues to drop, which I've already done a video about the analysis of Bitcoin, where it will come down to, and I'm looking at 75. So 75,000 is around, I think, 681 on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin hits 75,000, which is around 681, then we may, let me use the word may, we may see this guy come into this zone. So if I go in here light and I see it inside this zone, then I can go in with the remaining percentage of my money, knowing that it has done 100% retracement. And at this point, I can now wait it out because I know that this thing is for future investment. But then, if you're trading it as future trader, if you're trading it as futures, you don't need to rush in here because it may drop into this zone and you may not be able to hold the drawdown, the losses. So what you need to do is to wait for it around this zone. If it doesn't come to that zone, then it is not your trade. You leave it and look for another trade to enter. So this is my own view about ton, just like the person asked, and this is what I have to say about ton. So if you're buying, you know what to do. You can do your own research before buying. But then let me know what you think. Let me know if 100% retracement is possible, or we are going to see a move back up from this level. You can just drop it in the comment section and let's interact. All right, guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.